Let's get started building your Google site for your senior portfolio. First thing you want to do is create a new site. So you're going to sites.google.com. And if it gives you the option, you want to go to New Google Sites. You're going to click on this little plus to create yourself a new site. And now it's here. This is your new portfolio site. Go ahead and title the site with however your advisor requests for you to title it. Mine might look like this. And this is going to be the main page for your site. The first thing we're going to do is start adding pages to your site. And these are going to mirror the pages that are in your portfolio. This home page is going to have your name on it and the title of your portfolio. So something like this would work well. Then you're going to create an About Me page. To insert a new page, you click on Pages. And then you want to add a new page. You'll notice it adds a new page below Home. That page is going to be called About Me, and then say Done. You'll notice that Google Sites has created the About Me page, it's given it that title, and it's also added a link to this page to your navigation bar at the top of your site. You've now created your About Me page. Let's move on and keep creating the pages that we need to have on your site. Now you're going to create a section for the defense, and it's going to have several sub-pages. So let's create the main page first. The page is going to be called Defense. And now it's added the defense link to the top of your page. Below defense, though, you're going to have several sub-pages that include different categories of things that you'll need when you do your defense. Those things are a page for your defense grid, a page for each of your final portfolio reflections, and then one more page where you'll give your focal work that you're going to present on your senior portfolio project. Let's create those pages now. So you're creating sub-pages for the defense page. To do that, you click on these three dots over here and choose Create Subpage. The first subpage is going to be called Portfolio Grid. And you'll notice that now Google Sites has created a subpage that shows up below Defense. Up here at the navigation, if I click on Defense, I can see that one of my options below that is Portfolio Grid. So that's what a subpage does. We now have 4 more subpages to create. Let's do those now. Remember that to create a subpage, you click on the 3 dots and choose Create Subpage. Say you screw up like I do and forget to format something like a subpage, so you end up with something that looks like this, your focal work that was a page that you just added here instead of creating as a subpage. You've got some options. You can always delete a page that you've made by mistake by clicking Remove Page from Site. You can also drag things around, so if things got out of order, you could drag the focal work into this defense section. You'll notice if I put it up here, it's its own box, which means it's a made page. If I drag it here, it pops inside this box with defense, and now it's a subpage, and I know I want it to be the last subpage in this section, and now it's where I want it to go. Now that I've created my defense page and my About Me page, I'm ready to start creating the sections for my subject areas, and the first one is English. So we're adding a new section, a new main page, so we're clicking Add Page, and the section is called English. Underneath English, you're going to create a subpage for each year that you've taken English, which is 4 years. So you're setting a subpage, and you're going to call it 9th grade. And then the same thing for 10th grade, 11th grade, and 12th grade. Great. You're done with English. Now you have the rest of your subjects to add. Eventually, your whole site is going to look like this. You'll have tabs for English, social science, math, world languages, physical education, science, CTE electives, and VPA electives, as well as advisory. Go ahead and start adding those to your page now. Once you've created all your subjects and all of your subpages, congratulations, you're done creating the structure of your site. Don't forget to hit publish to save your work and to publish it to the web. You're going to create your site location as your name, portfolio, and then hit publish.